Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And Windows 10 and 11 both are released new KB series. So this is new, not update. This update is not installing. So how to fix? First, guys, click to start button and then type to CMD. Then right click to run as administrator and yes. And guys, I have 4 command to I will give you in link in copy and descriptions. So you copy from descriptions. So this is try, then first when finish, try second, and then third, then fourth. Only copy and paste. Okay, this command actually used for uh, your uh, your health checkup and your corrupted. This command is for corrupted your dial file and all files to repair automatically. And okay, so this command is very important, and you check descriptions. I paste it. Okay, second guys, again click to start button, then go to setting, Windows update, slow down, sorry, system, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, run Windows update, sorry, Windows update, run. So now checking and troubleshooting what is our issues, and so please wait few seconds. Then guys, again click to start button, next solutions, services, okay. So firstly check background, press B, background installation transfer file, click to start. Okay, then guys, disable your third party antivirus, because your third party is blocking update, means your antivirus feeling like viruses, do not install it. So you disable, right click to disable, and then again download. And otherwise you guys just go to Chrome browser. Okay, uh, Microsoft catalog, install manually. That KB series issues has not installing, so you can download manually, like KB and type 5020030. You can search and download manually. This is also launched recently. 20 means you want to 22H2. Okay, this is Windows. Okay, so guys, please check and do all solutions. Have an issue, please comment me, I will support you.